guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Welcome to another Tuesday morning coffee and tea with Faithlyn. I'm excited to be able to spend this Tuesday with you. I know I missed last week and just wanted to apologize for that because I truly love Tuesdays and love being with you guys. I am having breakfast today. So, well, it is between breakfast and brunch. Because I have a Reuben sandwich and I love Reuben. It is corned beef and rye bread, and I decided I had it left over and I decided I'm having it for breakfast today. I got it from this little place called Jason's and it's wonderful. I'm also having mangoes. And at Jason's, they have these little mini ginger cupcakes. They are tiny, but they are so delicious. So that's my breakfast for today, slash brunch. It's tempting, it's really good. And of course, Tuesday morning would not be the same without my coffee. And I hauled this coffee mug. It has an A on there. I thought it was an M. It sort of looks like an M. I got it from Steinmart for $5.99. It's a huge mug. You can't see my coffee, but it's there. So, this is a perfect time for you to grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's chit-chat for a bit. And I am going to share a quick encouraging word, and I do have a small haul. Well, it's somewhat small, and I am excited. I cannot wait. Let's take a bite. That is good. Okay guys, so today's encouraging word is let it go. Just let go. Let it go and focus on the things that serves you. If there are things in your lives that just doesn't serve who you are, I want to encourage you to let it go. Let go of anger. Let go of rage. I struggled with rage for a long time, and I came to a place where I decided I didn't want to be that person anymore. I didn't want that to be a part of my character. And so I chose to let go of rage and anger. And so I really feel today is a perfect day to encourage you to let go of the things that doesn't serve you, that doesn't edify your life. That is not positive. I also want to encourage you that there will be people in your life that may irk you the wrong way, people that you may not always be in agreement with, but choose to live in an understanding way with them. This is what the Word of God tells us. We must live in an understanding way. So just because you disagree with someone and just because you may not care for their lifestyle doesn't mean you throw them away, but it means you develop a relationship in where you can respect them, you can honor them, but yet not accept their behavior. And so this is my encouragement for today is let go of your anger, resentment, unforgiveness, and choose to live in a way that is pleasing to God, that is edifying, and is a blessing to you. So guys, let us exercise for the rest of this week self-control, choosing to be who we are created to be, and just let go of the rest. Let go. All right, I have a haul for you and I cannot wait to share it with you. They're not big things, they're small things, but fun things. First fact, Did you know that the Dollar Tree have clearances? I do have a few clearance items that I hauled from the Dollar Tree, and the first one is this little ceramic, and it has a little rip there, and I think the cover is missing because it was a, I think it was a bathroom soap dish. But of course I can use it in a DIY, so I thought, how cute is that? I was going to haul it, and it was 50 cents. This I use during the holidays, and I saw it, they had it for 25 cents, and so I bought it. It's a Christmas bell. Of course it doesn't have the little thing in there, but usually I dispose of those anyway when I'm using it for a project. So I loved the fact that it was only 25 cents and that I could use it. So I hauled that from the Dollar Tree for 25 cents. They had these little burlap, and this one is 50 cents. And so I went ahead, I don't know why they're getting rid of it, because it's just a few strings that are hanging off of there, but they clearanced it out for 50 cents, so I hauled that. They had these picture frames. They have them in square and this oval shape. So I hauled 2 oval, and I couldn't find the square, so that I could share with you guys, but that's also at the Dollar Tree. Now this is a new find at the Dollar Tree. I saw them for the first time yesterday. Was excited and decided to haul all of them. All the different styles they had. So the first one is a peel stick. It's a wall decoration. It's like a backsplash for your kitchen. And so, is that not gorgeous? Definitely using it in a project. So I got, I want to say 8 of those. I got 8 of them. And then they had this style as well. I don't know if you can see that. And I got 8 of those as well. This one I loved. I loved this one. And I got 4 of these because I have a project in mind for that. That's it for my Dollar Tree haul. The rest of my things came from Hobby Lobby and Ross. So I shared with you guys these little shade. They're for your magnet shade, lampshade embellishment. They were $7.99 and clearanced out for $1.74. And so I hauled 2 of them. And I think I am going to incorporate them in a project. I will share with you how to use it to embellish your lampshade. So I'm doing blue and white and silver and gold in my family room for summer. So I will share that with you guys. This I saw and loved it. It's a leaf, and of course for summer I'm going to do my dining room in more of a tropical theme, beach theme. And so this was $4.99 and it was clearanced out for $1.24. So I hauled it from Hobby Lobby. These are all from Hobby Lobby. The mirror, it was already on a pedestal, which I thought was fabulous. It was $3.25. Upside down. And so I went ahead and hauled it because the mirror alone would be that price. So to get it on a pedestal, I thought that was really good. I can also incorporate that into a project. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while now, you know I love glass. I don't know why. I love bottles and just the different shapes. And I thought this was pretty sleek. I love the shape of this. and they were $2.49, so I got 2 of them. Love, love, love. I probably should have gotten 3. I love purchasing in 3s, odd numbers. And they also had the shape as well for $3.74. And the small one was $2.49. So I got 2 of them, and I figured I could use them as in a project and incorporate it into my home. That's it for Hobby Lobby. Now, I was in Ross, and they had these chargers, and they clearanced them out. They're 2 different colors, and they were a very nice little surprise for me. 49 cents. I got this one for 49 cents. I don't know if you can see that. You just have to trust me. It was 49 cents. This is more of the champagne, somewhat rose gold, for those glasses that I have that have the same color. I think that would go really well with it. So for 49 cents, I hauled it. This color is more of a pink, and it was 49 cents as well, so I got 2 of them. Same. Okay, so that is my haul for today. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate Tuesdays. I truly appreciate you guys. And I'm grateful and thankful, and I hope that for this week, you will practice just letting go.